Today we are riding with a 7040 Allis-Chalmers pulling a Case IH RS 5061 round baler with net wrap and twine.
Thank you, Bryson. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is just going to be us baling hay. It's been really wet lately, so it finally dried up enough, and that's what we're going to be doing. Enjoy. And also, shout out to Bryson, who literally filmed all this on a bike. So as you can see now, they're picking up the hay that they just mowed and raked into the nice, neat little long piles, and that's what the hay bales are going to be, obviously. And voila! So I believe here is when they start heading back up to the house. Go, Bryson, go! There's the little calf. Thank you guys for watching this video. I had a lot of fun editing it. I think it turned out really good. Yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.